funny thing, on the app they said that this comforter was not delivered and I had gotten a refund for it, but mom had ordered some sheet sets, so I thought that was what's supposed to come, but then mixed it up. Hi guys. All right.
Oh,
No water.
People take it and that's down into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So it's a new week and today me, mom and dad are on the road currently. We are going to run some errands today. We're taking you along with us. Say hi, mom. And daddy's driving over there. So yeah, we're going to run some errands today. Just a few things that we didn't really get to do, and we're gonna drop off some stuff also as well. And I think we should be stopping by Domino's today as well, just to, you know, try a little something up there. I'm not really sure what we're trying up there, but I don't typically think it's ice cream today. I'm not really sure, but when we go up there you guys will see. We're taking you along with us for today and what is really happening. It's raining. It's a little bit rainy this morning and it's a bit overcast, if you can see. Yeah. So it's not like this all around, but it's where we are currently at the morning, and it was overcast where we were previously as well. When we left the house it was still overcast. I guess there's some hurricane, or I don't know, some system is out there that's supposed to be coming for the Caribbean, I guess. So that's why we're having rain, and sometimes the sun is really hot and stuff like that. So the weather is kind of weird. But we are doing what we can do as quick as possible in case the rain comes down any harder, so that we can come back home in time. So when we're at our first stop, or yeah, I think when we're at our first stop, I will check back in with you guys. Okay guys, so we made one of our stops already. Shipping company. Mom is back there with the packages. She is looking at them. Yeah, because mom has like some sheets and towels and stuff in there, so we came to pick it up. One of them I didn't get, so I had to come another day for it. There's something there. So yeah, now we're going up to Devon House now.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah. Them not have no place right this away. Nobody buy no little juice and them something. No. Yeah, so we're going up there now. For drink, yeah, I know. Can get water at the bakery and no, not even the bakery.
Yeah, money for them.
Not bakery. No, like a bottle of water, not bakery. Outside the front out here, so them little stalls them out there. Okay. No, I mean inside of Devon House, them have the little shop them at the front right there, so with water and stuff like that. So that's where we're going to go. I don't know what we're trying yet. I think we're gonna try boba tea today. They have a really nice boba tea place there. When I came here with my friends about 2 weeks ago, I tried it. It was really good, so I told mom that we should go try it. So we're gonna go try it. Hopefully they're open at this moment. Everything alright?
Everything alright. This is sitting like what?
Oh, what at them? What's that? The grease thing?
A 1.6 liter this. Think along with them with me,
Well,
I don't
know.
I'm so thirsty though. I'm like.
Okay guys, so the lady said that it's going to take 20 minutes to do the boba. So I'm going over the ice cream place for mom in the meantime. I don't know if by the time I get the ice cream, and I haven't eaten anything, so I might get a hot dog. I don't know if by the time I get the ice cream and the hot dog and whatnot be the case, she might be open, because I do actually want the boba tea, but I'll wait and see because she said 20 minutes. It's been maybe about like 5 minutes now, so maybe like another 15 minutes it should be open. But I'm going inside the ice cream place now. Okay guys, so I just ordered and I'm waiting on the ice cream. Mom and Dad are having ice cream. I'm not having any. I don't really. How about this mama shirt? Anyway, I'm not feeling for any ice cream this early. Well, not really this early. It's almost 12 o'clock, but I don't really feel for any ice cream, honestly. So, yeah, I don't really feel for any ice cream. So, I think I'm just gonna have my hot dog. And I don't know if the lady is open. If she is open, I would like to get another boba, honestly. That's really all I came here for. So, we're waiting. It's also very empty here. Like, it's very empty. That's me add to extra napkin. Have their ice cream. They both got pistachio. Well, yeah, Dad chose pistachio and I chose pistachio for Mom too. The other flavors that they had weren't really that enticing. The ones that they don't really have a very wide array of flavors right now, and it's summer. I can't tell you why, but they don't have a wide array of flavors. So I'm going to go and get myself a hot dog and the boba tea. Actually, I'm waiting on her. Mom doesn't want the boba tea anymore because she had ice cream, but she said that she will have some of mine. So I think I'm going to try one of the milk teas this time. The last time I had one of the more fruitier drinks and it was really good, so I think I'm going to try the milk teas this time around. One hot dog, please. So this is the hot dog station. The person put it on and I guess they're gonna come back. So I'm just waiting on that. And they serve like juice and stuff like that. A hot dog is the bad dog hot dog specifically. They're now like $400 and you tell them toppings that you want on it. They have ketchup, mustard, mayo, relish, caramelized onions, cheddar cheese, and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, I think I'm probably just going to, I'm gonna do everything, just maybe not pepper, because I don't think that will work with me right now. So I'm just gonna wait on that. It takes a little time, so maybe by the time it's done, we can go get the little boba tea.
Where's cheesecake boba tea?
Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the tea. This is the strawberry cheesecake one. This is the milk tea. The last time I came, I got the fruit tea, which was a mango passion. It was really good.
Yeah, I'm not for myself. Let me see that straw there.
Oh yeah, and it have the something at the bottom. Yeah.
So why black?
It's typically black. It's normally black.
Okay. I never did feel for none.
Yeah.
Because I did have ice cream already. So maybe weekend or some other time.
Yeah, we'll come back and try it.
Sure. I'll try.
Oh, this is nice. Taste once again.
So
nice.
So you plan to live. That's what she want to live from. That's what she want to live.
This is nice. Yes,
nice.
Yeah. You know, so she alone around there work by herself?
It's promised for.
How much should I?
feel.
What area?
She's recording. You have to
Oh, 1,100 feet.
1,900?
1,100.
Tell the party them, tell people them. It's nice though.
Yeah, it is. It is.
But it's really nice. Really nice.
And the fruit teas them way more refreshing.
I think I would prefer this.
Yeah. How much you rate it? How much you rate it?
I can't rate it yet.
You can't rate it yet, so you know, just drink it.
But this is something I never eat it. At first me I tried, so I'm gonna have to try other.
No, as in, how would you rate this on its own?
So I fuck me when I chew.
The ball, yeah.
What makes it? What made this thing here?
Tapioca starch.
Tapioca starch. Would I say a 7 for now?
7 for this one?
Because I've not tasted the one.
The fruit one.
Yeah,
okay.
Would I say 7 for now? Let me taste it.
I'll give this an 8. This one is good.
Did I give it 8? Because you taste them.
Because I tasted the fruity and the fruity was a 9. I bet I got a 10. Fruity did nice. I got a hot dog also. But
maybe the lighter, the fruit one will be lighter.
Yeah, it's way more refreshing for a hot day. But today it's a hot day.
Okay. That you in business, yeah? No.
That's the fun part of it. You're supposed to
you
chew it.
kind of feel one little...
What, feel weird?
No.
Soothing?
Little soothing, little weirdish. But I don't know. But let me tell you something. When I drink, when I get again, let me try the other one. No, not anymore.
Oh, when you come back here next time. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anyway, I have to make 2 more stops. Start the engine there.
Ready?
Yeah, so we're gonna go now, guys. Okay, guys, so mom is dropping off something for someone. And we are at the stop right now. Yeah, she's going inside to drop off something for someone. After this, we are going home. This is our final stop. I think we were supposed to stop at the supermarket, but mom said never mind. People, the time is very hot, and this here with me having on my head not making it any better, but it's whatever. I had to stop at an electronics store. I had to stop at an electronics store before coming here because I needed a new charging port. Not charging port, I need a new charging cable, because the one of me have first of all, it did not give me one bag of problem. That's number one. And last night it just decided to conk out for me, so it wasn't working anymore. And the funny thing is, while it was working last night, while it was charging, before it did stop work, I literally say, I'm just gonna get a new charger tomorrow. And it looked like the card must hear that and get jealous and decide to stop work for me. So right as I go for go charge it, when it did run down, it just non-charge at all. So it's I'm done with you. So yeah, so I had to get a new cord because I didn't want it to mess with my battery health anymore. Anyways, I still have my hot dog. Haven't eaten it, but I'm going to have it as I am going home now because I'm getting hungry. Them get it?
Yeah, that's interesting.
We're back home, guys, and as we have reached home, we came to no water. It seems they are doing something in the community. Tractor just went down a while ago. Well, it just came out of the community a while ago, so I guess hopefully probably soon come back on. One of the stuff we picked up at the shipping place was a comforter for me, but funny thing, on the app they said that this comforter was not delivered and I had gotten a refund for it, but mom had ordered some sheet sets, so I thought that was what's supposed to come, but then mixed it up and I got the comforters and mom didn't get her sheet set. But mom said she'll just order her sheet set somewhere else, but at least we got the refund for it. So, and as I came home, we were going to wash these and some towels as well that we got out. We're going to wash them, but we have to wait until the water is back up, and place kinda bleaky. Anyways, it's a comforter set. It's a queen. Must remember how much pieces, but yeah, it's a baby pink, so you can pull it. What brand? Casentex Home. Easy to care. Okay. Alright. It's very well packaged, I have to say. We did partially open it when we were in the car, so just taking out the rest. Why? I'm big piece. There's something listening to me. Okay, so it's a reversible. Oh, a zip. Okay, a zip pillowcase, mommy. So it's it's reversible. So one side gray, one side pink. Right? For the pillowcases, it has a zip, and same thing for the comforter. It is reversible. So I think it's a 3-piece. So it's just a comforter and the 2 pillowcases. So one side gray, one side baby pink. So yeah, that's that. Pull it out around here because, like, you know, when you get new bedding, you don't pull those things out in your house. You wash them and then you put them in your home. But this is the end of the vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, all those errands that we ran today. Carry you guys along with it. We didn't really, honestly, never do that much. I didn't really think I'll walk again from the road for this week that much anyways. But we just decided it's Monday and we just took the opportunity to get some of these things that we didn't get to do done. So hope you guys liked the video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.